Hello, my name is Gazania, licensed acupuncturist and herbalist with Naturally Gazania Acupuncture and Wellness Center. Thank you for watching the video today. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and share. So I specialize in helping support patients who have type 2 diabetes or pre-diabetes. What I'd like to do today is share with you guys 5 acupuncture points that I use on most all my diabetic patients. So if you have type 2 diabetes or pre-diabetes, I will be posting a picture of the acupuncture location, and you can also do self-massage at home with using these points. So the first point is called rinse 6, and this point is located below the umbilicus, your belly button. So I want you to take your thumb, right? So it's your thumb and a half. So if you measure it below your umbilicus or your belly button, you place your thumb under it, and then right below that you place your thumb again, and it's half. So it's a thumb and a half. It's 1.5 soon, but for you it's a thumb and a half below your umbilicus. And this is an acupuncture point that I use with patients who have type 2 diabetes or pre-diabetes, and this particular point helps with digestion and helping with their energy levels, because sometimes they're fatigued. And so this is called rinse 6. Now the second point that I use, it's a point that I use together, it's called liver 3 and heart 8. So first, liver 3, it's between your big toe and your second toe. And it's right between your big toe and your second toe, but you follow the line between them, and it's a depression between the junction of those two, the big toe and your second toe, liver 3. That's a point that I use along with heart 8. Now heart 8, you take your hands and then you make a fist. Now it's between the 5th and 4th finger right here in this depression. The 5th and 4th finger, heart 8. Like again, I use liver 3 and heart 8 together. This is really useful for stress or cortisol levels, because we know that stress makes your blood sugar rise. And so these are a really good point to use, especially with the correlation between blood sugar and stress levels, right? So liver 3 and heart 8. Point number 3, it is called the back shoot point. It's on your back, and it's a pancreas point. In English, it's translated as the pancreas hollow. So this point I needle also on patients with diabetes or pre-diabetes, and it's located on the 8th thoracic vertebrae. And so the point is, again, 1.5 soon lateral to the spinous process, but again, for you, that's a thumb and a half from the 8th vertebrae. A thumb and a half from the 8th vertebrae. And again, you can see the picture. This is the back shoot point of the pancreas. And number 4, I really love using ear acupuncture or therapy. They're very powerful. I use the endocrine point in the ear. There's a picture of the endocrine point. It's right in the ear, right in here. So I'll place needles in this point, the endocrine point, and then also maybe a pancreas point. But I use the endocrine point, and usually it's pretty sensitive on patients with diabetes or pre-diabetes. And so also when they leave, I usually place ear seeds on this point. So again, the point number 4 is the endocrine point. Now point number 5, it's called 3 emperors. This is a very important point. I use most all treatments with patients who have type 2 diabetes or pre-diabetes. This point is called the master kidney point, right? Well, you don't know that way. It's called the master kidney point, and here's a picture right there. And so this particular point, it's like a spleen 9. You needle it through a spleen 9 points, and then a spleen 6 point, and then right in the middle. So if you see those 3 points, those are the points that I needle. And these are really good for supporting the kidneys and tonifying the kidneys, which is really good, especially if you have type 2 diabetes. And then also an extra little tip for acupuncturists. I test people's, the sugar's tested before the treatment, right? And then after the treatment. And so when I do this, the sugar is lowered, usually tremendously, maybe even 30 points, depending on how high their sugar was before the treatment. But I needle spleen 6 plus stomach 29, and then I stimulate them. Studies have shown to help reduce blood sugar levels with doing this. So that's spleen 6 and stomach 29, and I use the E-stim and stimulate it for about 20 minutes. If you have them test the sugar before and have them test the sugar afterward, the numbers has always usually lowers, which is pretty good with using this particular point combination. Thank you for watching. If you would like to have more information, please visit my website at www.naturallygazanga.com. You can follow me on Instagram at naturallygazanga-acupuncture. Please go to my website, book an appointment, book a free consultation. I'm located in the Bay Area, California, in San Leandro near Oakland, California. So please, thank you so much, and I hope you guys have a good one.